Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the transmission fluid on this 2005 Toyota Camry. Alright guys, jack up the car or put it up on ramps. Get yourself some cardboard to lay on, some paper towels, a drain pan, and you're going to need a 10mm hex socket like this one, and also a ratchet. And you're going to get underneath here, and then on the driver's side is going to be the transmission, and this is the drain plug. So let's get that off and drain the fluid. Alright, this is almost done draining. Next thing you want to do is remove all these bolts. 10mm bolts, and there's 18 of them. Let's do that. Alright guys, remove the old gasket. Just comes out. Spray with some brake fluid. These are magnets, so what you're going to do is clean them. Just remember where they go. One goes here, one goes over here. Next, we got to remove the filter, which is this, and we need to remove these 3 10mm bolts. Let's do that. Alright guys, this is a new filter. That's the part number. And this comes with a gasket and a new filter. Okay. And it should have the O-ring attached. Okay. Alright, before you put the filter, make sure you clean all around here. And make sure you clean the edges where the new gasket's gonna go. Pushing the filter in place. Okay, and install the nuts, bolts. All right, everything's clean. Put your magnets where they go. Okay, now you have your gasket. Now these holes are supposed to be a little smaller so you could put your bolt through, and this holds it in place, but it's not, they're not made any smaller. So what I did was put a little tape on this, and that's just to hold it in place. You ready to throw this up? Run it in a crisscross pattern. Alright guys, this car takes a little less than 4 quarts of this fluid. Make sure it's the right fluid for your car. This one takes T4, so that's what we're going to put in. So, in order to do that, you need to remove the dipstick, which is right here. And you're going to fill it right through that hole, okay? So get yourself a little funnel, stick it in there. Now we're going to put in around 3 quarts. Then we're going to start it up, run it through the gears, and check it again. Alright guys, drive the car for a couple of miles. Make sure it's shifting nice. Go through all the gears. Make sure you go, reverse, park, everything. And then when you go back, we're going to check it and see how the fluid level is. Okay, with the engine running, you're going to pull out the dipstick. You're going to clean it. And reinsert it again. And then pull it out and check the levels, okay? Right now it's over here. It's supposed to be over here when it's hot, okay? So add some fluid until it gets over here, but don't overfill it, okay? Alright guys, that's how you change the transmission fluid on a Toyota Camry. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.